Salam to all, this is FBA, Fatima Banartes. Let's get to my exclusive weekly technical analysis in order of dollar, Turkish Lira, Euro, dollar, gold, Bitcoin, and Ether. Before that, don't forget to check the end of this video for some important notes. Let's start with the dollar against Turkish Lira as always. What did happen last week? It increased as we expected while making new historical high as we forecasted. What to expect for this week? If it's above 36.08, it shall break 36.24, which is the new historical high, and then try between 36.41 and 36.43 type range. Here, a correction may be triggered. Otherwise, if it's below 35.99, it may visit the buyers around 35.70. Will there be a correction from our forecasted range? As for the euro against the dollar, what did happen last week? It increased as we expected and made high at 1.0514 when we were expecting it to head between 1.05 and 1.0560 area. What may happen this week? If it stays above 1.0425, it shall break 1.0508 and then try between 1.0576 and 1.0580 tight range. Here, a rally shall be triggered towards 1.0715. Otherwise, if it's below 1.04, it may need to go towards 1.0331 support. Is a rally ahead? Time for gold. What did happen last week? It increased as we expected and made new historical high at 2,943 when we expected to try 2,955 resistance. What might happen this week? As long as it's above 2,887, it may break 2,893 and then try 2,933 and 2,948 resistance. Here it may spike down, yet this may not change the plan of heading towards 3,043 area. Otherwise, if it's below 2,859, it may want to check the support between 2,802 and 2,785 area. Is a limited increase not too much to expect for? Want to know about Bitcoin? Let's. What did happen last week? It declined as we expected while making low on our forecasted area. What may be expected for this week? If it trades below 96,836, it might break 94,765 to try between 90,035 and 89,095 support. Here it may decide if it needs to head around 84,000 or not. Otherwise, if it's about 97,847, it may head towards 104,000 after breaking 99,500. Will the decline end around 90,000 or need to continue towards 84,000? Finally, Ether. What did happen last week? It declined as we expected, yet couldn't break 2,509 and close the week with gain. What may be forecasted for this week? If it stays below 2,674, it shall break between 2,510 and 2,499 to try below 2,395. Here it shall decide to turn back up or revisit the buyers between 2,168 and 2,096 support. Otherwise, if it's above 2,720, it may want to try 2,929 resistance. Will a limited decline not be surprising? Thanks for watching. I need your support to reach more people, and you can do this just by subscribing, liking, and sharing my channel with your network. You can support me this way totally for free. By the way, if you don't know what any term I use means, please check the description below. You can also find below link to join my WhatsApp channel for free about mini appreciation presents. Thanks in advance. Oh, one last note. Unfortunately, since last April, YouTube made a mistake and closed my channel, but yesterday it was open. Hope this never happens again. Bye.